Some journeys are not meant to be shared, some battles are not meant to be seen, and some victories only come when you learn to walk alone. You try to fit in, you try to be enough, but no matter how hard you gave, you were met with silence, doubt, until one day you stop chasing them and start choosing you. This is the moment you become dangerous, when you stop needing validation, when you stop apologizing for your truth, when you realize walking alone doesn't mean you lost, it means you are focused. It means you are finally free. Focus on yourself, walk alone, and watch the world follow later. This is your era. Let's begin. The road to greatness is empty. Not because it's impossible, but because so few have the courage to walk it. Success can be lonely road. It can be tough, hard, unforgiving. It is not meant for everyone. Those who follow the crowd like sheep will never discover who they truly are. Only those who follow their own path uncover their real potential. Those who fly alone grow the strongest wind. Those who walk alone find the clearest direction. The rest will always rely on the other for survival, always needing attention, needing recognition just to exist. I am at peace alone. With no attention, no recognition, I still rise. You don't need a spotlight to shine. You need conviction to keep walking when it's dark. I'm not saying those who have support are weak. I am not claiming you must journey solo to gain strength. This is messages for the fighter who battle alone, the one who never felt they fit in, the one who chased dream no one else believed in, the one who still show up when no one is clapping. You don't need them to believe in you if you believe in you. You don't need their applause if you have your own back. And the best part is when you live your truth, speak your truth, embrace exactly who you are, you earn real respect and real love. People admire those who dare to be themselves, who follow their heart without permission. Why? Because deep down, most people wish they could do the same. So keep going, believe in yourself, and it will all come good in the end. When it does, you won't just surprise yourself, you inspire everyone who watched your perseverance. I had to learn to fight alone, and because of that, I am strong alone. I develop an inner strength that cannot be broken. I am unbreakable because of the pain. I am powerful because of the struggle. I have character most will never experience. I appreciate other more than ever. I possesses deeper compassion than ever. I travel deep into the darkness. Now I live with the greater depth. I faced enormous internal battles. Now no challenges can defeat me. I will obligate every obstacle. I am proud of who I have become. Proud that I kept going. Proud that I stayed true to myself. Now I can live as myself with respect from other and even more important pride and respect from within. Walk alone if you must, because the farther you travel down your own road, the louder your legacy will echo. The day you stop chasing validation is the day you start attracting real respect. I stopped looking around. I stopped needing people to notice me because I noticed myself. I became the one who clapped when I won and the one who picked myself up when I fell. That's the kind of power you build when you focus on yourself, not out of ego, but out of necessity. Because you realize no one is coming to save you. And the moment you accept that, You step into the level of freedom no one can take away. When you stop trying to prove your worth, you finally realize it was never for debate. I don't need to go louder, I need to go deeper. Silence became my strength. Solitude became my strength. Self awareness became my greatest weapon. While they are busy trying to be liked, I was busy becoming legendary. Not for applause, but because I refused to be another copy. I was born to be an original. Focus is not a strategy, it's an act of rebellion in a world built to distract you. So, I started cutting the noise, cutting the distractions, cutting the people who didn't clap when I was building. I didn't need a crown, I need clarity. And when you find clarity, you start to walk differently. You speak differently, you think differently. You attract opportunity that match the energy of your discipline. That's when you stop chasing and start magnetizing. The better you know yourself, the less you tolerate nonsense. I stopped saying yes when I meant no. I stopped showing up for people who never showed up for me. And guess what? My peace tripled, my progress multiplied, my purpose became louder than the opinion around me. I am focused, I am grounded, I am unstoppable. Because when you focus on yourself, you stop running from your shadows, you start working with them, you start healing what you used to hide. You don't rise by proving people wrong, you rise by proving yourself right. People may not understand your silence. Let them talk, let them wonder, because while they are busy gossiping, you are busy glowing up. While they are stuck in comparison, you logged into creation. And while they are waiting for permission, you're writing your own rules. You don't owe anyone an explanation for prioritizing yourself. You don't need approval for focusing on your vision because your path is yours. Your timing is divine. Your growth is sacred. And if they don't clap, don't worry, your success will be louder enough. You just have to keep going, keep building, keep rising, focus on yourself because your future is watching. Discipline is louder than doubt, focus is louder than fear, and your future self is begging you to stay locked in.